Satnam. My name is Raj. I'm sitting here inside this very lush, beautiful greenery of Ananda Yoga and Detox Center. In October 3rd to 5th, I'm running a Kundalini Core Foundation practice here at Ananda. What we're doing in this practice, we're going to focus on the core practices of Kundalini. What is the core practice of Kundalini? A connection with ourselves when we take all other identities away, when we take all these acts of reactions that we have done where we created a sense of self. When all of that is removed, who are we? What is the purpose? How are we going to stay elevated and keep up our energy to its most, you can say, innocent self? And I would love to share this practice with you. If you've ever come to any one of my classes, you know that we go very deep into theory, very deep into philosophy, very deep into the practice. And this is a 3-day intensive practice of Kundalini Yoga, delving through the many layers that we have created over ourselves. And like an onion, sometimes things can be released, but this is part of the practice. I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, send me a message, send a message to Ananda, and we will be very happy to assist you. Satnam.